If you're seeing a Grammarly login error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and we'll start with the easiest solutions first before moving into the more advanced ones. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to check is your browser cookie settings. Grammarly relies on cookies to keep you signed in, and if third-party cookies are blocked, the login process can fail. If you're using Safari, go into your privacy settings and temporarily turn off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. If you're using Chrome, open your settings and make sure Block Third-Party Cookies is turned off for the moment. After changing this setting, go back to Grammarly and try logging in again. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. Next, disable any ad blockers, VPNs, proxies, or security extensions you may have running in your browser. These tools are useful for privacy, but they can also interfere with Grammarly's login servers and stop the sign-in page from loading properly. Turn off any ad blocking extensions, disconnect your VPN, and if you're on a managed network, check whether a firewall or security filter is being applied. Then refresh the page and try again. If that still doesn't work, try opening Grammarly in Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This is one of the quickest ways to test whether your regular browser profile is causing the problem. If Grammarly logs in successfully in Incognito Mode, that usually means your cache, cookies, or an extension in your normal browser is interfering. In that case, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try signing in again. Another very common issue is using the wrong login method. If you originally created your Grammarly account with Google, Apple, or Facebook, you need to sign in using that same button. Don't type your email and password manually unless you specifically created a Grammarly password for that account. For example, if you used Google to sign up, click Continue with Google. If you used Apple, use Continue with Apple. Matching the original login method is important because Grammarly treats those as separate authentication paths. If you're using the Grammarly desktop app, the next fix is to reinstall it. First, quit the app completely so it is no longer running in the background. Then uninstall Grammarly from your computer. After that, go to the official Grammarly website and download the latest installer. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files, outdated app components, or login issues caused by a broken update. Once it's installed again, sign in and test whether the problem is resolved. And if you're still running into the same error, restart your router. Sometimes the problem isn't Grammarly at all. It can be a temporary network glitch, DNS issue, or even a workplace or school security filter blocking access to Grammarly's login services. Power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. After your connection comes back, try logging in once more. If you go through these steps in order, there's a very good chance you'll fix the Grammarly login error without wasting time guessing. The key is to start with cookies, then move to extensions and VPNs, then test Incognito Mode, then confirm your login method, and finally reinstall the app or restart your network if needed. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want a guide for another app or website. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back into Grammarly.